Hey guys, so I'm really excited because I just got 2 pairs of sunglasses from SmartBuyGlasses and we're gonna unbox them and try them on. Okay, so we're gonna open the first pair. I already opened this, but this is what they're in. And before I open this, what's cool about this company is that they sell over 250 brands of glasses, sunglasses, prescription, blue light glasses, so basically any glasses you need are all on this website. So let's see. I'm excited. Oh, these are so nice. So these are the first pair. So nice. And I got to try these on virtually on the website, which is a cool feature they have, so you know what they look like. I love them. They're so nice. I love a good chunky sunglass. Okay, I took the second pair out of the box and it comes in this super cute orange case, which is great because I'm always losing sunglass cases and it's important to have a case for them so they don't get damaged. So these are the second pair. Little aviators. I love the gold. Let's try them on. Love it. And I love how light they are on my face. They're not heavy at all and they fit perfectly.